Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install CentOS on VMware Workstation. Go to Google or any search engine, then search for download CentOS. Then click on download CentOS. Here we have three versions, 8, 7 and 6. Now we are going to install latest version, that is 8. Then click on this x86_64 ISO. Then click on any of these 5 mirrors or below mirrors. I am clicking on first one. Now click on CentOS ISO file, that is DVD1 ISO file. See, download has been started. It will take time to complete the download. I have already downloaded this ISO file. As of now, I am cancelling this download. Once you complete the download, then open VMware Workstation. This is the VMware Workstation console. I have installed this many virtual machines on my workstation. Now we are going to install CentOS 8 operating system. Click on this create a new virtual machine or go to file, then select the new virtual machine. Select the type of configuration. I am going with typical. Here we have three types of guest OS operating system installations. One is from installer disk and another from the ISO file, and another one I will install operating system later. Select this I will install the operating system later. Then click on next. Here guest operating system is Linux and version, we have these many versions. Select the CentOS 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the virtual machine name. I am giving it as default. If you want to give customized, then remove this one and type your own. Here we have to provide the path to store the virtual machine files. You store wherever you have enough space. Now click on next. Here we have to provide the disk size. I am giving it as 20 GB. Now click on next. See, these are the virtual machine settings. Name, location, version. Version is VMware Workstation version and operating system is CentOS 64-bit. Hard disk size is 20 GB. Memory 1 GB. Network adapter type is NAT and other devices are this one. Now I want to increase this memory size. Then click on this customize hardware. If you have enough memory, then increase the memory size from 1 GB to, see here, 1 GB to 4 GB. Or you can move the cursor from 1 GB to 4 GB, or you can change this number and then click on close. See, now memory size has been increased. Then click on finish. Before starting, to start installation, we have to attach the ISO file which we have downloaded. Then click on edit virtual machine settings. Now go to CD or DVD IDE parameter. Select this ISO file, select this option, then browse the ISO file location. I have downloaded the downloads folder. Select the ISO file and open. Then click on OK. See, now it attached ISO file. Then click on power on this virtual machine to start the actual installation of CentOS on VMware Workstation. Select the first option and press enter. Notice here installation log files are stored in temp directory during the installation. Select the language for the installation process. Default is English and click on continue. Here we have to select the installation destination. I am going with default destination. Notice here it is saying please complete the items marked with this icon before continuing to next step. Also here this begin installation has been grayed out because we have set all the items. Why? Because we have to set here user settings. Now set the password for the root user. Then press OK. If you want to create user at the time of installation, then click on user creation. Provide user full name and the username that you want. Password for the new user. If you want to make this user as administrator, then click on this, then select this checkbox, then click on done. See, once we have entered the read password, this begin installation has been enabled. Now click on the begin installation to start the CentOS installation on VMware Workstation. This may take some time to load all the files and installation. I am pausing this video until installation completes. Notice here installation has been completed. See here we have to reboot the system. Also we have to, once reboot is successful, we have to accept the license agreement. Click on reboot. Now we have to accept the license agreement. Click on this license information. Then select this checkbox and click on done. Click on finish configuration. Once we accept the license agreement, we will get this login screen. Click on this R2 schools or the user you have created at the time of installation. Press enter. Provide the password. Select the language and click on next. Keyboard layout and select the, keep the default keyboard layout and click on next. Click on next. Skip this one, or if you want to connect to any of these accounts, select on them and provide the credentials. Then skip. Everything is okay. Now click on start using CentOS Linux. Close this Genome Help. Notice here we don't have open terminal option when we right click on this desktop. It's available in activities. See here this terminal is available. Click on this terminal and check the CentOS version. cat etc CentOS release. See, we have installed CentOS Linux release 8.2.2004. So in this video we have seen how to download and install CentOS 8 on VMware Workstation. Then we have connected to CentOS virtual machine. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.